My name is Brandon Henschel. I am your dance professor, and I provide you guys with professional grade dance instruction. Today I'm going to teach you how to master the pull-up emote. But before we get started, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit the likes, and turn on the noties. That way you get notified every time I go live or a new video is posted. And join me on my live streams. I have a free hip-hop class that's available 3 days a week for everybody, all ages. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. And don't forget, next time you're in the item shop, hook up the channel, use code DanceProfessor. We're much appreciated. All right, here comes the pull-up emote. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, you guys, so this is how you do the Fortnite pull-up emote. I'm gonna face the bag over here so that you don't have to reverse anything. Right hand, right leg, easy peasy, right? You're gonna start off like this. You're gonna have your left hand forward, you're gonna grab front, and you're gonna pull it, turn your leg in, and then come back down. Okay, so if I face this way real quick, you just have your left hand out, you're gonna grab like this, turn your hand in, lean into it, come back down like this, and then throw your arms up for an X, okay? So it's gonna look like this. Go grab, pull, down, X. From here, you're gonna step onto your left foot. You're gonna go left, hit, right, hit, okay? Those hands are just circling. Out, boom, out, bring it straight down, and then go across. Put that together from the top, okay? You're gonna go grab, pull, down, X, step, hit, go cross, cross, okay? These are little waves, okay? So think of like making hula hands almost, okay? To the side. You're gonna take your fingers and you just bend your fingers down and then you straighten them like that. So you bend them down and straight, down and straight. If this were a wave and we were doing isolations, you could have it right here. It'd be like, just like that. But instead what you're gonna do is use your fingers to go down and cross your arms, just like that. So when you cross them, right hand first and then your left hand in front, it just happens really fast. So it goes like that, okay? So you're gonna do that 2 times. You go here, here, drop down, bring your hands up. So you got the gun on your hip, okay? Pew, pew, just like that. 2 fingers, thumbs up, pew, pew. Ready? Go from the top, 7, 8. You're gonna go grab, pull, down, X, step, hit, cross, cross, down, here. Then you're gonna hop back and forth. Just use your heels. So you're just lifting your heels off the ground and you're gonna go to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, hit your guitar, okay? So when that happens, the hand comes up, it comes down your face like this, and you just go boom, just hit that guitar, okay? So once again, with your guns on your hip, you're gonna go left, right, strum. Now you're gonna strum again, and you're gonna step on your left foot this time to go left, lift your knee, okay? That's the same groove as out west. If you guys go boom, 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 hey, 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 it's the same groove, okay? So what you're doing is you're gonna step down this way, do a little body roll, lift the knee, sit back in the hips, back in the hips, back in the hips, back in the hips. So after you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is 6, you're gonna step on your left foot, go boom, hit, boom, hit, boom, hit, hit, hit. Then reach forward like you got a book in your hand. You just reach forward, you come up, you throw it away, then you go from the top. Grab, pull, down, X, step, click, wave, hands, down, hit, left, right, strum, step, curl, boom, 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 book, and throw it again. So if you need to, because it is really fast once the music comes on with the skin and me, so if you need to, pause the video, go back, rewind it, do it a whole bunch of times, okay? Repetition is your best friend. So just keep doing it over and over and over again until the point where you don't have to think about it. You can just kind of move and groove and you got it all in there. Then when the music comes on, you're not trying to think about what comes next. You can just roll with it and just hit the sequence of your movement, okay? But if you're ready, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do this with the music and the skin. So here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. go. That is how you do the Fortnite pull-up emote. If you have any other emote requests, put them down in the comment section below. I do read them and I'll stick them on a notepad and we will do them here on the channel. Until then, I will see you guys next week. Peace out.